Hey guys, welcome to Weekends with Gimme again. So it's been a long time, I guess, since I made a video. I was quite busy with life. Anyway, anyway, let's not talk about that one. So right now, I recently bought something sa store, and it's this one, the Century Chunky. Let it focus. Okay, there. Century Chunky Corn Tuna Spicy Sisig. So I'm gonna try to cook this one, and I'll let you know how does it taste. But also try to improve this one. So let's get cooking. Just gonna taste this one. Actually, ako siyang giadan og cayenne pepper kay it's not that spicy to me, and then I want it spicy. Tarawan sa nato ha, ang tuna. Pag first, pagbutan ako sa pan, kay mura siya og garang si taga na, San Marino corn tuna. Yeah. Ngayon, dadawin ko sisig eh. I love it. I like how it's spicy right now. Let me know this taste. Okay. Totally recommend if nagdali ka, buy the spicy tuna sisig. Spicy tuna, spicy sisig. Along that lines. It's actually yummy. And I love how it goes with just cooked rice. Actually pretty good. I'll let you see. Look. Huh? With the onions and the carrots. I love carrots. I also love onions. See? Oopsie. I think you can try anything with it. Like if you love potatoes, I think it goes with potatoes. I like potatoes, but I was eating potatoes last night, so pasa ko. This one, actually yummy. The heat was okay na. Diri na, it was not that spicy for me, so that's why ako siyang ibutangan ng cayenne pepper. So I'll see you next vlog and happy eating!